Isn't it crazy that approximately only 25% of Americans can change their own oil? Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil in your own car. I have 3 simple steps to get you on your way to change your own oil. First, the supplies and tools that you need. Second, how to remove the oil filter and how to drain the oil from your car. Third, how to put oil back into your car and put a new oil filter in. So let's jump into the basics, the tools and supplies that you need. First off, you'll obviously need oil. I suggest Mobil 1, and of course your car, when you open the hood, will say what kind of oil you need, such as 10W30. Second off, you'll need a new oil filter, socket set and a ratchet, a funnel, a drain pan, and an oil filter wrench. Now let's jump into this. So first we're going to start off by taking out the drain plug to release all of the oil out of the oil pan. So you do this by loosening this, like that, and then you let all the oil drain. So now that the oil's all drained out, you want to put the drain plug back in. So now with your oil filter wrench, you want to take off your old oil filter. Usually these are located right next to the drain plug. Now that it's loose, I get this with your hand. And don't worry, it's supposed to drain oil out of it. Now the old one's off. Now with your new filter, you want to get some of this old oil and put it around right here so it'll seat itself good when you put it on. Now that you got the old oil filter off, you want to grab your new one that we just put oil around and screw it right on. Just until it's about hand tight. You don't want to go about any more than that. Just like that. So now that you guys have drained all of the oil and replaced the oil filter, you want to take this top cap off your motor, set it aside, put this funnel in, and according to how much your car needs, you want to pour the oil directly into this, all of it. But do it slowly so it doesn't all just fill up to the top of the funnel. So now that you're done pouring the oil into the motor, you want to take your dipstick and check what the level is at. Sometimes it's not going to read the first time, so you got to stick it back in and pull it out. And it's full. Now that you're done with your oil change, you want to turn your car on and make sure nothing is spewing out. Now that it's on, you want to look under it, and nothing's spewing, so it's all good to go. Now that we're all done changing the oil, you should check on it every few months and make sure to do another one every few thousand miles. Hopefully we can change that 25% of Americans changing their oil to way higher. Thank you.